remember that you are not alone in this battle. I hope someday we get that love that we deserve.
Learn how to say no. I-prioritize mo kung ano yung important for you.
You don't have to feel bad for expressing your feelings.
Surround yourself in a community where you're being empowered.
While you're looking for the right or the healthy environment, make sure that you are also the right environment for others.
Someone, somewhere, understands. Padayon lang. Abiyan. IKK Podcast, now streaming on Spotify. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter at IKK Podcast.
Kumusta mga abyan? My name is Vane and welcome to IKK Podcast. This episode is powered by Voice, by Love Yourself.
Hello mga abyan. My name is Riel and welcome to IKK Podcast.
Parang fresh ka.
Ako lang to.
Parang bagong
Hindi
ligo.
ka. Si H talaga yung kausap.
Hello. It's me again, Harvey Go. And hello sa mga abyan, mga lovers, mga kaharot, mga ka-Pokemon, mga kakwentuhan, mga kasparty, at mga kapuyat. Hello sa inyong lahat.
O, diba? Sabi ko sa last episode, kaya ka wala kasi ang dami mong affiliations.
Ay, actually, hindi nyo ako in-invite sa episode
Oy.
na yun. Hindi, joke lang.
May blessing mo yun na wala ka.
Joke lang, oo.
Ginagawa ko
Give ko
kayo
na
ng
yan sa inyo.
masamang tao pa kami.
Siyempre yung recording, Valentine's. So, kailangan natin ng personal
What?
time.
Valentine's ba yun? Hindi.
Yun. Valentine's weekend. Hindi day.
Haba
Weekend.
naman ng Valentine's.
3 days, 2 nights.
Ano na
Joke
yun eh? Feb 16. Okay. Nagano pala kayo.
Weekend pa din yun.
Staycation.
Pasok kayo sa Valentine's weekend.
Okay. Monday mo yun. Okay. Sunday pala kahapon. Okay. So for this episode, we'll talk about reigniting passion. Sorry. Kaya naman, for us to know yung point of view of our co-volunteers na nag-decide to take a step back and focus on something else. Kasi tayo naman, what we see is usually, naging inactive siya kasi nagtayo siya ng business, nag-pursue siya ng career sa ibang lugar, nag-artista na siya, ganyan. Pero is that really all? Isn't there like a deeper reason for setting one's passion aside? Alamin natin. Joining IKK Podcast is a Love Yourself volunteer from the first batch of volunteers. Lagut from Batch Originals. Joma Ragragyo. Hi, Joma!
Hi! Magandang araw. Ang gandang umaga. Ano ba? Paano ba natin ipapackage ito?
Magandang buhay.
Kahit ano.
Hi. Hello. Okay naman.
Welcome sa IKK Podcast.
Thank you.
Welcome, John.
Having me.
Nice. Lahat nga, pero tama ka nga, Vane, no? Lahat kasi tayo may kanya-kanyang reason kung bakit tayo biglang nagsi-step back or yun nga, nakakapag-focus sa ibang mga bagay and to each his own, di ba? Ikaw ba, Joma? Ano na yung pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon sa buhay?
Now, well, ayan. So, hi again. I'm Joma. So now, well, I guess worth mentioning. And I'm sure people, Love Yourself people know naman. At least the people who know me and are on the Friends of Love Yourself Facebook group. I work with SHIP currently, so Sustained Health Initiatives of the Philippines. So matagal na rin ang SHIP, at it also in the same area as Anglo. So I am the communications officer for SHIP. So I do many things actually. I've done many hats. Ayan, marami kaming hats sa SHIP in general. Excuse me, but also me. So I do social media content, writing, everything, all things for SHIP. mainly for the sale clinics. So yung aming mga smaller parang ano ba, free services clinics sa Makati, Caloocan, and Laguna and Cavite. So that is what mostly takes up my time.
Okay.
Kaya
nice.
pala,
Yes.
kaya pala
Oo,
na,
kaya naman
na-realize ko na, 'di ba, nag-guest nag-guest ako
Yeah.
before sa podcast ng nakalimutan ko yung pause.
Sa Play,
Ano yun?
Pause, Rewind.
Yes, yon. Si
Yeah.
Joma yung nag-invite sa akin ba. And that was with Ship,
Oh.
'di ba?
Yes,
Tama ba?
in 2022. And Riel visited.
Hala, 3 years
Yes.
na.
Si H wala pa sa
Oo, late siya. Late siya doon. Kahit doon late siya, kahit saan lagi siyang late. Pagdating niya tapos na, uwi na tayo.
True.
Yun, kumain na lang kami.
But at least pumunta.
Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mag-picture kayo eh.
Kaya kung may picture
At
ako
that time,
siya,
bago
wala.
mag-picture. Nga eh.
Nahiya
Mag-picture
Siya lang,
eh.
ako wala. Kasi late na ako dumating. Pero okay
afraid.
lang. Kasi
Go.
enjoy ko naman yung buong stay ko doon.
With si the drag queens, Eva La Queen and
Yes. Even La Queen
Venus
and
Deluxe.
Venus Deluxe. Yeah.
And Jabbar.
Ayun. Yes,
Ay,
Jabbar.
Jabbar.
No, he's not a drag queen. Charot.
Kasama ba siya dun? Hindi mo ata siya kasama mo ba siya dun?
Mm.
I don't remember.
Yes.
Okay.
Tatlo sila.
Some episodes kasi wala si Jabbar. So.
Ayun. So, yung mga volunteers natin na hindi na masyado active or yung iba hindi na talaga active, I know you. Charot. Eme lang. So, ayan. Meron
Pangalanan mo nga.
reason kung bakit
Name drop.
Katulad ng ex
Yes,
mo.
send ko sa
two
chat.
batches. Charot.
Ano
Pero
to
ayun.
batches? Grabe ang
Siyempre,
dami.
yun nga, again, minsan busy sa buhay, may pinagkakaabalahan, or sadyang na burnout. Ganon. Ikaw, ano yung nag-lead sa'yo to take a step back muna from volunteering, Joma?
Siguro, well, specifically for Love Yourself. So, I guess parang bigger picture din yung context. I've been volunteering with Love Yourself since 2011, 2012. So, that's more than a decade ago.
Yes.
So, that's insane. Ayun. Pag-isipan ko nga kanina so binabasa ko yung pinadala niya sa akin. Oh my God, tagal ka na sa Love Yourself. Anyway.
Bigyan ng realization.
So ayun, so since 2011, and I've done a lot of different things also with Love Yourself. So I started out also counseling sa ano pa namin yan, sa clinic sa Leon Ginto. So yung mga taga Leon Ginto na batch, ayan, that was what you were named after.
Yes.
Ngayon ay ano na ata siya, Manpower Services Office. I think yung clinic na sa Leon Ginto. So yun, kaliit-liit na clinic yun noon, na binabaha minsan. So through the years, I did a lot of that counseling. Tapos yung mga kasama ko noon, si Philip Tanpoco was very invested, very part of the operations of Love Yourself as well. Not sure a lot of people know him now kasi he passed to Singapore. He went to Singapore. Charing.
Oh my God, kala ko.
Nalungkot na ako din eh. Nalungkot na.
Medyo kinabahan.
Joke lang.
Sabi sana ako ng condolence.
Joke lang, Philip. I'll see you soon. Ayan. Nasa Singapore siya. I think baka nandito siya now. Anyway, he went to Singapore and then he went to London. He's going to London. So, I mentioned that because Philip was very heavily involved. Kung kilala ng mga volunteers natin, si Doc Annie, who is the sister of Doc Rita de Tanco, or Arellano, sorry. Anyway, of the doctors of RITM. Ayun, very involved si Philip with her. Doing a lot of stuff for Love Yourself. So that's also how I got heavily involved with Love Yourself kasi magkabatch kami ni Philip. So I ended up doing a lot of things. Like for example, recruitment. I started doing that in 2012, 2013. So, and since then, been doing it consistently. Mawala ako. Ayun. So, doing recruitment. And I started working with it with Pete and Mel, and then handed that off. So, si Pete's handling that now. And yung background ko is in communications talaga. I studied film. Tapos, so I was doing a lot of that also with Love Yourself. Kung kailangan ng writing stuff, kung kailangan ng, I don't know, media, photography, whatever. I was doing a lot of those things. Up to 2019, before the pandemic. So I was doing a lot of recruitment things, operations also. I also handled some of that before communications for the most part. With Sinabet at the time, si Bet yung, what do we call them? Head, lead, I forget, something like that. Tapos yung, basically the pandemic happened. Tapos, I mean, a lot of things stopped. A lot of things, even pag-volunteer, of course, were put on pause. And even at the time, I was also helping still with Love Yourself. I was answering mga Facebook pages, ganyan. I think yun lang naman, the Facebook pages. I don't think may hinahandle akong ibang social media platforms. And then the pandemic happened. That's 2021. My parents got COVID, and then also my brother got COVID. He has comorbidities. So unfortunately, he passed away in 2021. And that yun talaga yung point na when I had to really step back. At that time, I was we had to take care of that, and then my mom was in the hospital for like ano pa tagal yan? Actually, parang 3 months lang naman. April to July. Di pala yung 3 months. That's a long time. For 3-4 months. Sa intensive care siya. So, ayan. So, at that time, parang I had to take care of that. Also, doing work pa. Fortunately, I found work naman over the pandemic. Na was paying well, pero also not my thing at the end of the day. Kaya umalis ako nun. Anyway, so I think naman din, going back, the point of all of that was, medyo parang naman ako, medyo tied naman ako sa Love Yourself throughout the whole thing. And then the pandemic happened. But even after that, I was still helping out as much I can. So like, kung may mga kailangan, mostly recruitment. So if si Pete needed anything, usually I'm there to help him with stuff. Ano pa ba? Yun lang naman. I'm thinking of anything specifically exciting. Parang wala lang. Kaya yung the pandemic, diba may mga nangyaring Pride stuff. Ayun, and I parang hosted one of the panels for a Pride thing that happened.
Yeah.
So parang it's really yung pandemic talaga yung naging pinaka factor kung bakit for most of us naman parang malaking factor yung nangyari yung pandemic for us to change yung plans ng mga buhay natin, yung mga ganap natin sa buhay, parang napilitan tayong baguhin siya because of the pandemic. And I'm so sorry, Joma, na sa mga pinagdaanan mo sa pandemic. So, ayun. You're from the pioneer batch. So, na-mention mo na nga na you've done a lot of things with Love Yourself. So, for sure, you were also...
But unfortunately, not a lot of people.
Diba yun?
Ganda. Ganda na pasok, diba?
Okay. So, for sure, you were also able to experience a lot of events ng Love Yourself. Ano yung pinaka-na-miss mo being part of the Love Yourself community? Although, you're still part of it naman. Pero ano yung na-miss mo during the times na parang super active ka talaga?
Ano nga ba? Well, I mean, fun naman yung, I would say, although they also get a little tiring and repetitive, yung mga orientations. Can be actually be fun naman. So I think at some points naman kasi we were trying to parang how to make things more interesting, how to make things more engaging with people, how to make things shorter. That was always something na parang, hey guys, hindi naman ito kailangan buong araw lang tayo nandito, diba? So, yeah, I think that's a lot of fun. Ano ba? May mga things na parang were planned na napunta sa back burner. Like yung parang Love Yourself TV. I'm not sure if that's something that people are still pursuing. Because maybe it's something to ask si Nabet or si Rhea what, kung may ganun pang dreams tayo. We had ideas, di lang siya na tigilan ng pandemic, unfortunately. Pero meron pala, I remember, yung Blood. Remember Blood?
Oh,
Yeah.
nag-rebrand na
Did
sila.
they use that? Nga. Ano na ba siya now?
Hisay.
Ano?
Hisay.
Isay.
Say.
H-E-S-A-Y.
He say,
Sabi niya.
doesn't have as good a ring.
Sinabi niya. Ganun.
Not as good branding. Anyway, yung
Okay.
Blood, ano nga ba yun? Parang may kami finifilm dati sa Blood. Hindi ko alam kung nakita niyo siya or naalala niyo siya. Sa Welcome with I think si Peachy ata, yung parang host. It's fun naman siya. So, mga stuff like that, I do miss doing that. Ayan,
Si Peachy nga yung host.
yeah.
So fun talaga kasi siya ang host.
Ako na. Charit. Magaling naman. Nakakatawa naman si Peachy.
So even before
May tayo
pala, before ka parang nag-lay low sa Love Yourself, parang more on admin tasks na yung mga ginagawa mo talaga. Naalala mo pa yung yung the last time or the last few times na nag-counsel ka?
Oh my God. Well, I mean, medyo I hung my hat na after a while. I think maybe, 2016, something like that, 2015. I'm sure it also has something to do with whatever I was in at the time. Pero even up to naman the pandemic and past that, I was helping out, like, specifically with si Disney. So if people know Disney,
Disney
she's
Aguila.
Disney Aguila, ating deaf transgender volunteer. So, particularly pag ganun, pag may kailangan ng people who know sign language to provide counseling, I would help her out and Love Yourself out with that lang. So, ayun. Hindi ko na malala kung kailan yung last time I did that. Pero I think like maybe after the pandemic, that has happened na naman.
I think I can recall that moment. Yeah. Sa Anglo yata yan. Sa Anglo. Yeah.
Usually,
Sa Anglo. I think I saw you and Disney having some conversations through sign language.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Ayun.
Also,
Ito nga lang
you,
kung
you
Go.
still do, I believe ikaw yung sa yoga? Yoga for life? You still do yoga, right?
Yes. So I also kind of volunteer with Yoga for Life. So before kasi, actually katabay niya nung sabay na pabukas ng Anglo sa Mandaluyong. Yoga for Life basically partnered with them to start holding classes there. Pero matagal na rin yung Yoga for Life since I think even earlier pa maybe than Love Yourself it started or around the same time. Pero nung nagkaroon na ng space yung Anglo, YFL, Yoga for Life also started holding classes sa Anglo. So yeah, and there. I haven't practiced with them a lot since the pandemic. Only because maaga yung classes. Usually umaga siya on a Sunday. Usually bangag-bangag ka nun.
Hindi ka morning person.
And not
Mahirap
usually,
bumangon.
no. Or usually kasi parang Saturday magagawin kang ganyan. Ayaw mo na magising na maaga for that. Pero sometimes, yeah, I still practice with Yoga for Life. Unfortunately, they've stopped holding classes sa Anglo now. But I think also Anglo naman kind of doesn't have that space na naman for it. But they have been holding classes sa Greenfield. So
Oh.
there's a new space, a new studio sa Greenfield District. I think yung building na kakabit ng MRT, yung pavilion din.
Oh, lapit lang.
So,
Walking
yeah,
distance
lapit
lang.
Yes, so hopefully that even gets more people to enjoy.
Parang dapat pag ganun-ganun tayo, Miguel.
Ooh.
Diba?
Medyo batak-batakin yung mga kailangan ma-stretch yung ating mga kasukasuhan and all, di ba?
Actually,
Wala na masyadong ganap sa
Para
live.
matuto kang autofilash.
Pero ito, Joma, may tanong ako regarding din sa volunteering.
So,
Yeah. Regarding volunteering. So, Joma, feeling mo ba, how can I say it? Feeling mo ba may stigma around stepping away from volunteering? And how does it affect yung mga decision ng someone na yan na bumalik sa pag-volunteer once, kumari, nakapagpahinga ng medyo matagal, tapos yun?
I think, I'm not sure kung like stigma, pero I'm sure like a lot of the people now, I would think may mga tao naman who maybe stopped volunteering or stepped away for a bit, who are also unsure how to get back to love yourself. So baka, I'm sure may iba dyan na may parang personal conflicts, ganyan. Ng arte. Alam mo naman, kailangan ng drama. Kaya kaya popular ang season 17 ng Drag Race for the drama. So ayun. I think yung parang stepping away.
We live for the drama.
We live for the drama. We are the and some people who have been away with Love Yourself parang aren't sure who to talk to or who to approach. Baka like yung mga kabatch nyo, I'm sure you could attest to this din naman, na parang parang gusto kong bumalik. Paano bang bumalik? Anong kailangan gawin? Ganyan. So, there are people who ask that all the time. So ayun, I think, I don't know then how to solve that, pero baka something we need to create a space for, again, na parang, hey guys, chika lang kayo, pasok kayo, ganyan, do whatever.
Yeah.
I don't know. Did I answer the question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi
Pero,
yan din
ayun
usually yung mga tanong ng ibang mga di ba? Ng mga
Totoo.
nagpapahinga, tapos yung
Na,
after
paano
months or
kami-
years, di ba?
Paano kayo babalik? Or sinong pwede namin i-reach out? Or ganun. So, may mga ganun silang hesitations.
Paano kayo babalik mo
Baka
nandiyan pa si
mamaya,
Riel?
since-
I've
Ay!
heard that said na.
For the drama, yes. Pero,
Baka mamaya
pero tama yung drama kasi minsan hindi din maiwasan nga may drama kasi nga aside from love yourself, meron ka din personal life na minsan nadadala mo within the organization na hindi siya nagugustuhan ng ibang tao. So, may ganong factor din siya. Also, siguro since yung napansin ko lang din sa advocacy-driven na organization, most of the time, volunteers or people who are advocate for a certain cause, nakakaramdam ng burnout. No? Ikaw, as a seasoned, yes, let's use that term, seasoned volunteer.
AKA.
Anong seasoning?
Anong seasoning mo? Charot. What would you say to someone who experiences burnout?
Ako yung seasoning ko. Try nyo to. Lemon pepper seasoning. Ano siya?
Ay, ang sarap yan.
McCormick. Para siyang pangmanok, diba? Pero masarap siya. Tapos pwede you can put it on a lot of things. Pero to answer the question, ano nga ba? Siguro, yeah. I mean, may times din na I've felt the sort of burnout. Especially, may mga moments naman sa laptop, especially in the in the early the early decade of Love Yourself. May mga times din na, I mean, we don't enjoy the same amount of resources that we have today. I mean, hats off to the people who have made that possible for Love Yourself. But back in the day, uh, minsan mapapagod ka talaga. Minsan walang masyadong tao. Minsan volunteers lang din talaga yung gumagawa ng trabaho and not people you can pay for to do the job for you. So, it helps, I think, it helps to really have friends in the organization. And really, that's why also I've mostly stayed. I still have people that I know and Love Yourself, thankfully. And it's still people who I can talk to and approach and ask those questions. So parang, what if we make an opportunity for this? Or how can I help out with this? And that really helps. But also for burnout, it helps din na parang may makakausap ka na pahinga muna tayo or chika muna tayo, inom muna tayo, huwag muna tayo tumulong.
Tama.
Ganyan. Kumain muna tayo, magmakdo tayo sandali. So, I think, really, yun lang, I think, yung pinakamasasabi ko. Yeah, friends, yoga also, I guess. To plug Yoga for Life, you can also take up yoga. Yeah, ayan.
Thank you.
Tama naman.
Dapat shot agad. Ganon. Masaya kung may alcohols. Charis.
Pag may yeah.
Diba?
Actually, yung mga feeling ko yung mga parties ng Love Yourself. Hindi ko alam kung, I mean, minsan ginagawa siya pero minsan parang medyo formal na siya now. So baka kailangan na ng parang whatever, kalokohan.
Pagtapos.
Meron recently, diba yung, I think yung uni, diba, may ganun recently. Na parang very wala. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Meron nga yung mga ganyan. Yung mga, sometimes mga special day ng hubs ng different community centers, di ba? Meron silang mga pagganap minsan. Or kapag mga for example, pag may occasion, Halloween,
Anniversaries.
anniversary nung community center na yun, ng uni, ng Anglo, ng Welcome, mga ganyan. And more, di ba?
After party puksaan. Ganyan.
Yes, kaya food trip lang dun sa center. Diba? After ng ops.
May iba yung kinakain.
Uy, iba yan. Mahilig sila sa raw.
Narinig ko lang yun. Buti hindi nakikita.
Nagbigay nga kayo ng hubs na pwedeng puntahan para makita. Chares.
Saka magsasend din ako ng list of people.
Hey!
Para mabilis mag-target lock, hindi na naghahanap pa. Meron ng
Lalo ba? Not naman to slut shame. Hindi naman for that. Just for people to know and be aware of.
I-post na yan sa Friends of Love Yourself.
Nakalagay yung name.
You're on the list.
Nakalagay yung name to sa ito, pwede to rin. Ito, red flag, ingat ka dyan. May mga pointers kada tao.
Ganda.
Ayan. So, maraming salamat, Joma, for joining the conversation. May bet ka ba shout out, i-call out, i-promote, i-benta, singilin? Go.
Call out talaga.
Singilin.
Singilin, go.
Singilin. Wala naman. Meron ba? Wala naman ata. Wala namang nangungutang sa akin. Wala rin akong pera.
Promote.
Ikaw lang. Please support Chip and support the sale clinics. Just like or share or whatever. Ako din yung gumagawa nun. So, ayan. Pa-support na lang. And also, you can join Yoga for Life classes. So, hindi lang siya sa ano ba? What was I gonna say? Hindi lang siya sa Greenfield. So, maraming ibang classes in the metro, I guess. I think mostly all either sa Greenfield, meron din sa Quezon City, malapit sa
Meron kayo sa BGC, di ba?
Meron din sa PGC. I think at
Kasi
Kensington Place. I don't know.
may friend ako nakita ko nag-post siya. 'Di ba dyan din si attorney yung sa ano ba yung org na yon? Kino? Si
Si Kino,
attorney
yes.
Kino.
He is the
Yeah.
president of Yoga for
Ah,
Life. Yeah.
ayun.
So, Batak si Kino, ayan. So, if you enjoy that, if you want to watch him in action, ayan, you can attend Yoga for Life classes.
May Facebook
And
page
then-
ba siya? Ang Yoga for Life.
Yoga for Life, yes. It's Yoga for Life. So you can just search for Yoga for Life. They're also active on Instagram as well. SHIP is also active on Facebook. And also the Sale Clinics. And Sale Clinics may sarili-sarili sila. So you can just Google Sale Clinics. And then, may sinasabi si Ronald. Hindi ko lang kung paano siya
Recruitment.
pa-plug.
Recruitment.
So start na ng interviews this month.
Oh.
Ayun. Hindi ko alam.
For a new batch? So may new batch na ulit.
Okay.
Naman.
na ng mga bagong tao. So, baka, I guess it's apropos. It's about,
That's true. Sorry, Swiss,
Yeah.
hindi na kayo yung baby batch.
Medyo baby pa rin.
Okay, go.
Uy, hindi natin pag-uusapan yan dito. May originals.
Grabe naman.
I don't know people anyway.
Pare-pareho tayong
Ayun.
seasoned batches dito.
That's true. Ay, ikaw ay lemon. Ano ka? Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper seasoning.
Yes. Try it.
Legit
Put
yun.
it on
Ito try ko
everything.
yun. Baka kasi nilalaro niyo ako dito. Legit
Hindi,
yun.
totoo
Okay.
yun. Legit
O
yun.
sige,
Lemon
gusto
pepper.
try ko yun.
May konting asin na siya to begin with. So parang, kung
McCormick?
kailangan, McCormick siya.
McCormick baka
Oh.
naman.
Ay, wow. Ang ganda.
In-endorse.
Sponsored by McCormick. Lemon pepper seasoning.
Yes.
Yun lang. Just the one. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. And thank you, mga Abyan, for listening to this episode. Thank you again, Joma. So, share your thoughts about this episode through the comment section on YouTube and Spotify. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Spotify. You can follow us on Instagram as well at IKK Podcast, our personal accounts at VaincredibleX, at Riel na Riel, and at Harwigo sa lahat ng platforms. You can also follow Joma if you want, guys.
Ayun na.
Okay, huwag niyo katalo.
He says no.
And of course, hindi mawala ang mga shout-out sa ating mga avid kaabyan. First of all, happy birthday to our reigning Mix Love Yourself Universe, Emma Love.
Happy birthday,
happy
Emma.
birthday sa'yo. And shout-out din kay Brian by your side, Albertus, Vin Voyage ng Taparipik, Dan Ventures, X Carlson, Sir Ace Jeril, Sir Archie, Otep, Wow JR, Cap Kevin, Jeroshel, Kenden Raff, Jeremy, Rex and Sai, and Leonard, and of course, James Edward.
Happy
Happy birthday, James
Birthday pa din.
Edward.
Pero tapos yung birthday. Happy birthday, James Edward. Voice by Love Yourself. Mayora, thank you so much.
Yes. And that ends IKK Podcast Season 8. Thank you, Voice by Love Yourself and the people buying every episode. Mayora, thank you. Mayora Ron Bogarin, thank you. Dennis Cruz, following nyo, Santi Alday, James Edward, and our audio engineer, Duke Gapod.
Yes. Although may finale get together pa tayo, pero yun nga, this is the end of our season 8. So, hopefully na-enjoy nyo. So, inabangan nyo din kami sa mga susunod na seasons. So, meron kami mga pasabog. So, ibabalik namin, for example, yung sex-positive season namin. So,
Oh.
Kangkangan! Oh my God.
Sali ako. Charing.
Oh, i-ready mo na Vin yung form para makapag-submit na sila as early as now ng
Ng
mga
kwento.
entries at stories nila.
Okay. At tandaan,
si Sela doon nagsasubmit na naman yan.
Anonymous
Bye.
naman yun, Joma. Baka meron ka ding story.
Gusto
Si
kong
Submit
Sela
ka.
doon nga, magsasubmit na naman.
Sela doon.
may pangalan, mas masaya. Ayun. At may specific yung places, and fun.
Pero,
Para ano,
feeling ko si Celadon taga Villamor talaga yun.
nakakaloka yun. Yung
Feeling ko ikaw
Celadon
si
kasi,
Celadon.
Jomar, yung kwento niya last. Kasi nagkaroon na kami ng sex positive conversations last, season 6 yata. Tapos, may mga nagsasubmit ng stories. Parang yung, anong chika niya doon? Sounding?
Maliban sa sounding,
Iba
yung
ba
sa
yan?
outdoor
Sino
din.
sila doon?
Outdoor.
Outdoor. Yung sa
outdoor
church.
Fan siya, may... yung sa...
Siya yun.
Sa church. Yeah.
Cementerio.
Basta ang dami niyang story yung sinubmit. Grabe tong si Celadon.
Oh my God.
Shoutout Celadon, baka nakikinig pa rin siya.
Nanalo siya ng Jellytime. Pero hindi
Twitter
niya
account.
kinlame. Takot siya malaman ng toong pagkataon niya.
Sana meron siyang alter. Tapos pwede niya i-share.
Sorry.
Kaya nga.
Tapos pwede niya i-monetize.
Feeling ko nandyan pa din siya nakikinig. So, baka naman. Gawin mo ng video. Yes. At
Tag us,
That's real.
please tag the IKK podcast in your sex menu.
hindi, send, direct na lang sa amin, send. Kami na magpo-post. Kami pala yung kumita. At tandaan, it's okay to take a step back. It's okay to recharge. Your impact remains. Padayon lang.
Sabi yan.
Hindi sabay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Joma.
Joma.
Thank you.
Mayora,
Thank you, Joma.
ano ka na dyan?
Ang
Nandiyan ka
bilis,
pa
ang
ba?
clip.